Are women allowed to observe itikaf in their houses?
As far as itikaf is concerned, according to the verse of the Quran of Surah Baqarah chapter 2 verse 187, which says that do not associate with your wives and do itikaf, retreat in the mosque. So since the word is specific, the ruling is in the mosque, as it's a ruling for the gents that they should do itikaf in the mosque, the same ruling applies even for the women. There are a few scholars who do say that itikaf can be done in the home where the woman prays, based on the hadith that praying in a room is better than praying in the outer room in the house, praying in the house is better in the courtyard better than the mosque. But this doesn't mean, masjid literally means a place where you do sujood. It's more of a word where you do sujood. But technically the word masajid used in Surah Baqarah chapter 187 means a proper masjid, not where you do sujood. Because in the inner room a person changes clothes and a person in the state of junub, sexual impurity, etc. So the ruling for the women, as far as the major scholars are concerned, if they want to do, they should do in the mosque, and that's what mentioned in several hadith, including the hadith of Sahih Bukhari, volume number 3 in the book of Itikaf, hadith number 2026, Hazrat Aisha, may Allah be pleased with her, she says that the Prophet did Itikaf in the last 10 days of Ramadan, and after he died, his wife continued with the practice. So the wives of the Prophet did Itikaf in the mosque, and there's no evidence to show that they ever did in the house.
Okay, good.